Well, what do we have here? If I wouldn't know better, I'd say this is the Aurzen EAZZE, I'm assuming that's how that is pronounced, D1G projector that we're going to be opening up, trying out right after this. Okay, if you're familiar with my channel and my TikToks and YouTube shorts, you might be familiar with Aurzen. We actually saw them at CES. They had this really cool portable job that I was really hoping we could get our hands on for a formal review. Not quite yet, but they were willing to send me this just to kind of, I don't know, tide me over until then. Yeah, so let's just open her up right now. Okay, I realize that there's a lot of people that do have projectors in their house just to, I don't know, they want to have that authentic movie watching experience, and they might not be satisfied with just an ordinary television. And I have to admit, I kind of want to try this here to see if we can kind of get this. We're going to be using this wall behind us as a demonstration on that, but we'll get to that, okay? I mean, there's a lot I really want to do with this. For now, I'm just going to open her up, and let's see what's in the box here. So, this is where it gets kind of tricky as far as this goes. So, yeah. All right, so we got it right here. Okay, so interestingly enough, it's very interesting that it has this kind of thing. As you can see, we've got the QR code right here in many languages, and it's got simple setups. So, okay, let's just kind of, maybe we can follow the instructions? All right, well, I'm just gonna open this thing up here and see. All right, here's the instructions, not bad. Here's the projector itself, which is not very large. I actually kind of predicted this to be a lot larger. Man, I remember the days when you could buy like this, oh man, they used to have TVs that were just these huge friggin' things that were like in these wood boxes, and they'd project on a screen, and man, it was something else. It was a different time. Okay, so here it is right here, and it's got this little pop-up lens cap, for lack of a better term. And this is it right here. I'll just kind of show it to you. It looks pretty interesting. And it's got a little menu key on here. So we've got the power button. We have these controls here. And this works with Google TV. So, okay. I should probably talk about the ports on this here. We've got a headphone jack, a USB 1, USB 2, HD, and then of course where to put in the power cable. And I should probably talk about the accessories that it comes with. A remote control. Does it come with the batteries? I hope so. It also comes with these Q-tips, for lack of a better term. I mean, I realize Q-tip is cotton swab. Okay, for some reason it has that. And here is the here's the power cord right here. So not bad at all. This is a very thick thing to put on here. I'm not really certain why it's needed. Oh, that's going to be difficult to plug into a regular outlet. But in the meantime, does this come with its own batteries? I kind of hope so. Let's just open her up and find out. This is looking pretty awkward. We're going to do that later here. Okay, so I got the remote out of here. As you can see, we're going to be able to take command of this thing. It has a YouTube button, a Netflix button, a Prime Video button, and then whatever the heck this button is. So, and plus all the other usual controls here. So let's get into some of the features on this thing, and then we're going to plug it in for a good demonstration. If you want to, you can skip to that because it's your life. Oh, I should probably post for the thumbnail. Hey. Yeah. Okay, let's get started talking about the features. First of all, this might not come out very well on the video when I finally get it all set up, but this thing has dual 8-watt dual Dolby Audio immersive sound, so that's pretty good. And we got 1080p vibrant visuals, and I want to see how good those are because we're going to be watching a lot of cool stuff here on this. And we got 5G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.1, and then we got authentic 200 ANSI lumens brightness, so we're going to be pretty good. This is compatible with smartphones, HDMI, USB, AV Fire Stick. You can even plug a PS5 in it. I just found that out, and which is pretty good. We might actually demonstrate that, maybe. Okay, I turned off my green screen effect just so you can see what's behind me. We're going to change it to a white screen effect so we can set up this thing and have an awesome demonstration. This will be really cool, trust me. Stay tuned. Okay, time for setup. Okay, here's what the setup we finally settled on. A ladder, and my computer hooked up to it. And we're about to watch Pulp Fiction. Oh yeah. Okay, as you can see, we've got it all set up here. This is just projected right up against my wall here. And I tried to do it with my screen, but it didn't look as good. But this is just it. I did a measurement, and it's about 100 and something from one diagonal to the other. And I'm pretty impressed by that. So you should be able to get this at a really good price if you are wanting to look into a projector. The sound is pretty good, and I should probably talk about the setup of this and all. If you got Google TV, you can pretty much set it up very easily there. But if not, hey, you can do other things too. I mean, this is just, I didn't want any Google's TV setup at all. Right now, it's connected to my laptop through an HDMI port, and I'll go ahead and I'll show off some things of that now. Okay, so if I hit main menu on this thing, you're going to see a lot of great stuff. I can connect in. I've got by the way, there's a Netflix button. I think I said that before, as Prime and stuff. I can't remember my password, so I'm not going to bother giving any info on that. Plus, also, I'm a little worried about copyright violations. But you'll notice here, I can access live TV. That's cool. And then, of course, there's a dashboard with lots of settings here. By the way, this time here is correct. I did not remember setting it. Once I input my Wi-Fi password in here and it's connected up that way, that was that simple. And yeah, so that's pretty cool. So you get the back button. The best part is I've got YouTube here. I wonder if it auto-saved me from last time. It probably didn't, but that's fine. Okay. Yeah, so it's kind of what I figured. I wonder if there's know my history or something like that. That'd be cool. Okay, probably not. I'd probably have to do, oh, hello. Hey, look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but there's the Geek Church there, isn't it? Yeah. Well, let's do a little search there, yeah. Can it just, can't seem to get my, can't seem to get that in there. Okay. All right, well, I imagine I could possibly get that in there. Anyway, so volume control on this thing. So yeah, that really helps out a bunch. And yeah, here's a button here. What does that do? Oh, we got a focus thing on here. Oh yes, by the way, this thing is set up very awkwardly. In fact, it's set up at a super awkward angle. I thought I was gonna have to like put a book under it or something to straighten out. But no, whatever AI, I'm guessing it's AI. I'm just gonna say AI when I don't know if it's AI. But whatever smart intelligence is in this thing, straighten it out for me. And now I've got a perfect projection. This is a great thing. I don't know if you want to replace your television with something like this. I mean, hey, right now I'm viewing this and it's still a little bit of daylight out, but not all daylight out. So just to let you know. So I'm thinking this is okay, Aurzen, you sold me on this. And if you're sold on it, you can get it for $209.99 on the Aurzen site. And I highly recommend you do if you're looking in the market for a projector. But for now, this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, and I'm in the movies officially and signing off.